Hello, my name is Emily Hopton, and the chapter that I'm covering today is Chapter 6, The Process of Interpretation. The discussion topic that I was given was fundamental questions in this phase. Okay, so question number 1, what should be the starting point of your interpretation? And the answer, the questions that were formed from the analysis phase. I found this on page 95 in our reading. Okay, question number 2, true or false? You must ask these 5 questions for your interpretation to be valid. And these are the 5 categories of questions. And let's see if they are correct. This answer is false. Although these questions can be helpful, we can be creative with our questions. So the questions below are such a great starting point if you don't really know where to start, especially after your analysis. The first one, why were particular choices made by the reader? You can look at actual words, you can look at meanings of words, what impact could choices have on different audiences. Being aware of different cultures or age groups or generations can really help us realize that the impact on each audience and the differences. How do rhetorical choices compare to other choices? For this, we can compare main points, compare rhetorical devices, like if they're using metaphors over similes or things like that. The fourth one, what do these rhetorical choices indicate about the rhetor? Why would a rhetor maybe use one rhetorical pattern over the other? And what do rhetorical choices and patterns indicate about our society? This is a big picture questions, kind of like the grand scheme of things. So these are great starting points, like I said, for questions, but you do not have to answer all of these questions in each interpretation, and some of them might not fit depending on what you're asking. Okay, and question number 3, true or false? You can question both verbal and nonverbal communication in a message. And the answer is true. Nonverbal cues can have different meanings to different audiences and can affect a rhetor's decisions. We learned this in the lecture, and we've learned this in different videos that we've watched. Okay, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching.